Tip number 6, and I honestly think this is my favorite tip, but y'all, keep your life simple. Keep your life simple. So buy less stuff, say no more often, stop receiving things that you don't want, say no, no thank you. Meal plan your food on Sunday or Saturday so that you don't have to think about it throughout the week. Treat your time like money, right? Run your errands in a way that makes sense so that you're using your time efficiently and you're being most productive with your time. And again, just discard stuff that you don't need. Keep your life simple. I think where people go wrong is that they try to do too much too soon, and you're not really honoring your limitations, your boundaries, and what you really can afford to have in your space, whether it's physical or mentally. So again, just really focus on keeping things simple in your life. Again, this is going to help you become more organized if you just practice this daily.